You want to cut along these edges here. So I'll show you on the side. Yep, perfect. Got your bell peppers.
Oh, I forgot the GoPro again. I forgot the GoPro. Yeah.
So when you cut your tomatoes, you have Roma tomatoes here. You cut this in half. Then take out the little pit right here. Okay, and I'm going to cut these into wedges. And then remove the pulp inside. Because if you don't, it's going to make your stir fry a bit watery. So I roughly chopped some cilantro for our salsa, our ají salsa. And I have some jalapenos. I'm just going to cut. You keep the seed in because I want it spicy. You can take the seeds out if you don't want yours spicy. But at that point, what's the purpose? Our green onion, add into that. And some garlic. Now we're just going to cut up some limes for the sauce. Okay, so we're going to make our salsa. We're going to add cilantro. And our jalapenos, green onions, and garlic. We're going to squeeze in our lime. Our flank steak for the stir fry. So you want to cut them into strips, and you want to cut against the grain. So the grain is going this way. You want to cut this way. And thickness of it depends on you and how you like it. So however thick you want to cut it, go for it. Now, we're going to just toss a little bit of salt. Some dark soy. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay. Just going to marinate this for a little bit. A little more. So the dark soy is just for color. So that's optional. You don't have to do it. Okay. A little bit of vinegar. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to squeeze a little bit of lime. Then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of cumin. Now we're just oiling up our pan, cast iron. You want to get it piping hot. Not too hot where you burn yourself. So now we're going to sprinkle in our steaks. At this point, once your meat starts to brown a little bit, you want to add your garlic, your minced garlic. And a little bit of ginger. Add our soy sauce. Our amarillo paste. We're going to add a little bit of vinegar. So we're going to add all of our vegetables except for our tomatoes. And I think it's perfect. So we're going to serve our Lomo Saltado with some steamed white rice. Some here. Yum. Look at that. We're going to garnish with some cilantro. Our aji sauce that we just made. Add some hot, fresh baked papas. So here we go. Our Lomo Saltado. Alright, so let's give this a try. First, let's try our papas and our aji sauce. Mmm. Mmm. That was good. Mmm. Yep. This is delicious. Mm-hmm.